Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Questions about VLT and shades? Let's go. Okay guys, in all seriousness, welcome to the video. If you're here, you're probably trying to learn about window film and the different shades. Maybe you bought a new car, maybe you're an installer. Today we're gonna go over the different types of window films. Okay guys, so for the sake of this specific video, I'm going to be talking about our products, Rpfilms, so I will not be going into any other products. We don't carry any dye products in our shop, so we'll just be going over our carbon and our ceramic line. Now today we're going to be going over our ceramic line just because we have a great display here that shows from the darkest option all the way to the clearest option. Now the most popular option is the 5%. In the state of California, which is where we're at, you can only go 5, so you can go as dark as you want in the back half, which is a 5%. The only thing legal in the front is a clear 70. Most people go in for a 5 in the back. In the front, they go with like a 35 or a 20, but you can also do this on the windshield. So the way that I kind of explain to customers is I first explain what's legal, then we start to go into a darker option. So 50% is a great option for windshields, driver, passenger, maybe classic cars that they still want to be seen inside the car, but they want protection. 35% is a nice blend of like a little bit of a tint, almost clear. It's a very transparent film. A lot of people think it's going to be darker than what it really is. Even me, when I first did my Model Y, I wanted 35, and I like it because cops don't look at you. People could see in if they need to, and I really wasn't worried when I was driving by police. Okay, 20% is now what I have on my new car, and this is what I recommend for people who want a bit of a darker look, but you are running the risk of getting a ticket. So that's the only thing with 20%. Now, depending on the manufacturer, depending on the distributor, each one carries their own independent lines. We carry 5, 20, 35, 50, and 70 in our ceramic, and in our carbon, we carry 5, 20, 35, and 50, and we do not carry a 70, mostly because it's not a popular option, and we don't make a whole lot of money on it. So we carry the most popular shades. So this, again, guys, is with Rpfilms. I hope that this video has informed you on all the different types of films. Now, before you go, let's go into the warehouse. All right, guys, so before we end this video, just want to give a quick shout out to our distribution, Rpfilms. Now, if you guys are a window tinter or you're a customer who's looking to get some window film done on your car, request to your shop to try out Rpfilms. Our products are amazing. They're built by installers, and we know exactly what people and customers and shops want. A great product, easy to work with, durable, has great color, all those things are what our products carry. So if you're interested, head over to our website. All the links are in the description below, whether you're trying to set up an appointment with one of our installation locations, or if you're trying to purchase our product, we have a location in California, Texas, and Canada, depending on when you watch this video. All right, guys, see you in the next video.